ready. Your Hana Doctor Bekachre say, oh no, the idea, and he say, he wants to make sure, say, every Ghanaian will have bank account when he was a vice president. But Papa, he can't say me. So red, Machiao Yepa, Agostino Fosua, Machiao, Kokubuat and Mwakaba Pa, and Nyaku Westi, Machiao Sopa. He would have can't say he wants to make sure say every Ghanaian will get a bank account, no. And Crofono Munimu, Jimmy Fono, almost we didn't throw. Almost we didn't throw. Almost say any possible. Almost better than our yet. Ade. Even though a Obiawa wallet account, no mobile money account, Obi Wagan and Nebia, it could have mobile money account. But NDC4 doesn't see that as bank account. But that is not where we want to go. Kwame Konto, the Mwakwaba pa, and you want to see uncle. Sana Dr. Bawumia, Numa Oye Biano, Yonim the Oye. And them say, San Ghana card na, Oye, yeno, or my ye, yeno. Na nye Ghana card in Kwao. San Ghana card ni Kitawa. A one chiche mummy and son, and a one card. Na me men kan chiro no waka se me yam pipi ni ntimi di ntro me pese ndisi ni ankasa on chiro mu adwuma ene nsa kire nsesaye nkanko adwuma yewura bawumia eto ne bo ehyehye eye de ma Ghana for na Dabina doctor can in one of his videos say ono no Ghana card no or the kind study passport said the city passport said he said he took advantage to learn about a lot. And Sana make it the first model of the Ghana card how it should be. He couldn't continue this in so church the muye. Yentie. He is now telling us to say Dr. Lahaj Muhammad Bawumia is a good man. Yentie.
In February. Emane can say as part of the plans or deba enayeno obesha so be link Ghana card no to your bank accounts and your mobile money accounts no onya backlash pa it me be say be bisa ne say obegye tum say ho no ogufi ana say one custody system na we ansan workers say na wonim say already no Ghana card na linking it to banks no mobile money account no and wo kan ye anase okodru ho no still na ye link
okay good part. So I ask the question. I think so my post the people didn't get the clarification what I wanted to post.
Okay,
now NIA card no it has 3 profiles on it: e-wallet, e-passport and EID.
Ebiani tieni ye pa asem na yewura Bawumia ka ya yeso yam pipi ni nti Sam George kwasi ampanyi ni Sam George DSTV minister halalasmahal the DSTV minister papa na ni ministry as minister of information a minister of communication on ye juma biya na all is about DSTV no yewura Dr. Bawumia ka say Ghana card na enye only for identity nkwa na it has a lot in it no na odi na tem na kwasi ampanyi ni sami jamfi ene Ghana say sika na wadi man na fu abose koto no na odi na tem ene papa wo yo to ye ndisi ni he is actually saying say asembia Dr. Bawumia kan ye bia no eye no kore ye ntie ni bia mo de momentie
and what can ye and also okodru ho no still na ye link
okay good part. So I ask the question. I think so my post the people didn't get the clarification what I wanted to post.
Okay,
now NIA card no it has 3 profiles on it: e-wallet, e-passport and EID.
Ebiani Juma
ID. Now we've activated the e-passport. What I was saying is that I want to activate the e-wallet which will be linked to your bank. Once your e-wallet is linked to your banker, if I say any of the banks, you can use your Ghana card as a means of transaction as an ATM card to go and instead of asking them their mobile number or giving them cash, I can give them my Ghana card with the POS and withdraw money or make payments.
Wow.
That is what I was talking about. I was saying that I'll link it to your bank account because already it's linked to your bank account already. But I said I'll link it to your bank account for transaction, so that you use your Ghana card to perform transaction.
What did you say?
Say, brofo ye brofo. O man what you say? Brofo ye brofo. Nti said ye obe wedi brofo no. Sa ye be say ya. Obi aka brofo na wacho wo tie mo say dem man.
So what you? Me ka say Dr. Bawumia can say bedru babi. We can use our Ghana card to do payment, to withdraw money. Enkurase for NDC for the asambinom. Etimi fa Ghana card no ko gina ATM ho. ATM machine ho. Na omudi di Dr. Bawumia ho fell. Hey, there's a lack of knowledge makes my people perish. Temi yepa. But doctor can't Ghana for say. Ye bet to me the Ghana card ye yisika. Ye bet to me the Ghana card a piaka. Ewo babia. Electronic transactions to me kosono. The NDC omoye enkurase for omunim sa anima we no. They were making jokes about Dr. Bawumia. But then, what are we seeing? Papa Yoti Okasei, Onyam Pipinio, he's working for the NDC. He is the NHI boss. Ononetihui. Ononetihui. And this Sanipa way, there is no way he will say something which is not right. How they bought Dr. Bawumia Baso. Because somewhere Papa can on himself who implications, because we the people that believe in Dr. Bawumia. Na papa na kan sama yaji tuma ya kan ajimifo no se enye nokure no. We are exposing him on the media. We are making people understand say ono ne na aban ni nyina no omo ye wan, omo ye bogus. Because this is what they use in their campaign. Say doctor yentrofo odintro ebinom say doctor afi ye de nya digital na ebedi o ye pedokno ne nchina ma ne boefo. Eno na Masam George na honam no timi hono te se mankene ya parking okoko bottom na energy na bam na obegina mu na oteteam na oka nkwasi asem na oka kire Dr. Bawumia so ye chew and poor economist enewo hu na when people are saying say Dr. Bawumia has run from the economy to digitalization now no mo ho ya mesre because brother, if you want to end corruption in your country with cash system, sisi kakita unsempa na udi didwa corruption untimi nto no da. Sa oso be koso na usika sem ebe sisi kakita unsem da bia bra untumi entu katase proye ne kankan aseda because sika kakita unsem no ebetumi akoboto bia mu abra yenya kwam bi ebefa so betumi adi akire ahoba bia kopie ye but say wo de electronically edi sika koba bia it is easy. There is a trace kwan da so betumi afa so hu se sika we ko ha, sika we nipa we na send ko ha, enipa we na edi sika we bra na saada no enti de na doctor ye no, de na doctor ye no. That is how you can do any control of any transaction in the country. Now, one transaction a papa, any transaction a bone. Mammy, I draw Mr. Emo way there. I am on farmer because Mwame, Mr. Mammy, I draw Mr. Emona is a ubuofuno. It creates a lot of issues with me, with my video. Intimacy same farmer. But you tell me, yepa. Enti ene papa ya mayate ho asese. The NDC are people who are omo ye nkrofo omo nim de no e wo fom. Omo nim de no e wo fom afi akosua me makwa papa. Nim de no wo fom. Enti se na ekese se ade bi ho na nipa ye na se wo nte ase a you will sit somewhere and you will criticize it without not knowing exactly what the person is doing. Because before you criticize, the way with the able to me, die nti a ɔyɛ ɛwɔ sɛ wankasa kora wonte wo ho ase yie na nyɛ sɛ you just stand up and talk trash about the person. Say yana asie dum katia an tabia asɛm bi wɔ hɔ a woka wontumi nyi kwaseampa nyine ne din mfirim. Sam George yɛde Ghana card link to our mobile phones to avoid fraud, to avoid mobile money fraud. Any mobile money criminal mobile numbers near the criminal activities in the country. Kwasiampa Sam George Bejro can say it's a bad boys academy or some one academy. I see don't get papa you waiting Bejro catch the Ghana for NDC for say NDC for should not go and link their card to their phone numbers. Adentia or see MPP for the burial. MPP for the burial. Sam George is original take us or not the on Tiasia da. On Tiasia or so me one academy. Aswadran Academy. They will never allow that to happen. But muko. This guy, I see don't get yanka sabetu na numu 210 ewo peace FM say ono Ghana card or ye biacho or they are linking the phone, linking the wallet, they are linking the bank account, they are linking the tunu account. Jimmy and or deceive the common Ghanaians. The common citizen no, he had not dream it grow. But papa your friend Dr. Bawumia no odoni ahobrasieni tema. Our society me pojani mono. Oya de pa, we cannot see it because ye were Jimmy Fobinuma, or be destroy a dena papa ne yeno. Mima meda na pia mwakwaba, mimia Francofi mwakwaba pa. Ye were enkurasifo bi wo ho a sabi omo hoyi se wo ka kire omo se ye wo system bi a sabi onipa mfa ne ti enso nkofie kura na they will still challenge you say nye possible say the whole Ghana enso ebeko bia fie omo nje ni because adwene na do mutim ne enkurase dwene. And these are the people that we have them ene omo te Ghana konwa so nkwasiafo say yo omo no mu di Ghana mayanim ene ntia yesi hospital adan yesi hospital adan across the whole country say obi yare a obanya baabi akwakosa na ho yade a agimifo we say ho hia yentungu okoso okoye big push Jimmy nkwase so mo agimi odu sa etu tim kura untumi nkanto how fresh they are. One say ne mo ankasa mo nipa o waba beti moto se mo nkwase asem se ya nana mo ye no opposition abagaram se na mo betra ho amoto ene mo se afia mo hu de mo nyei se ya nan this for year when they were in opposition. They did the same thing when they were in opposition concerning Garamsey. Enkwasi akeka o pe party asabi jimi keka ne nkwasi akeka ne tokroto ne asema nyansa nim nipa omukasa you understand clearly say they are talking out of their mind. There is no other party in Ghana than NDC. Jimmy for and no one say nipa na betro kan kire mo na ena meka ne say he we MPP ni na oye wa adwe say won koto aba mfa Dr. mfa ma Dr. Bawumia mimi Douglas mo akwaba na wo koto de amanipa foforo be wo ha wo eniema na nkrofo we di gina so di ntro e de fa doctor ho nsema o mo keka de fa doctor ho so ye ntrofo no de na o ka na esoma nkwasiafo we ya adwena na o mo nte ase a o mo se ye ntro no ene o mo betena aban mu no nkakra everything is coming out to be say Dr. Bawumia has been vindicated. Dr. Alhaji Muhammad Dubia has been vindicated. Say yana gold reserve. Papa isi dabi. Untumi ma o dollar nkosoro. Untumi ma usidi nyangu wadana dollar nim. Abra ome odo foundation. Enti sisi ya to gold digu ya bank ho. Emma ya banks no. Eye full of gold. Ene nebe ma sidi na nyangu wadana. Ajimi fo si dabi eye krono na obo. Omoba ya omuso ombe ye magic no. Magic ne kosi say. And the dollar not that 12 cedi 26 pesos. Ukose ukwa akoje afra bochi ho a 14 cedi 70 cents. Ye koya na ye buy. Eti jimina ha ndisi fo anase ye adwe money and the dog with him. Papa was Dr. Bawumia say yem solar panels. Eya de bi abu owi ase nyina mu. Enkwasiafo we ya bedi Ghana man so. Anya hwe copy what the man wanted to do just to make the people feel better. Jimmy Patrona no mugusu to. Ochra no mo to fuel him. Ade be no mo to petrol. Ade be no mo to electricity. Abra munim se mubetimi abuild solar panels across the country. Ebe ma ye light base so atimiate up to even 50%. And so Jimmy for we see that be omo de ya aka na ya aka krante ne ba ya ba ne ya ba ye ba wi bi akọ Jimmy nko a ye ba be di bi di akọ Salim Abasana me mo akọ abapa chese enye amanyofo bi no omo de omo adwene ne nimde ebu oman no de omo be di nko anti omo nam enti ade bi ebe ye papa ma oman no na omo no as politician omunya nsus omunya mfaso sika fam engo omo bottom no that thing is no go there enye sa nka already existing policies. What makes you think to rename them, rebranch them and relaunch them? Just spending of state funds. Mo se o mine sika kwa nyansa bia nim policies ya MPP for di kan alanche aye ho adwuma aye adwuma ajimi fo we ba o si da bi age so mo san rebrand no efre ne dim foforo esan koye state launching ni asesa mahama ne nkrofo no mugu kam na brum ti premu we are spending about 4, 5, 6, 7 million a day just because we want to just put our fingers on it. Aden boni ben na nipa dia yemo but during Independence Day Sebio obi oton nsuo beton nsuo dodo obi oton banku beton banku dodo obi oton ice cream ke beton dodo no de kwasi ampanyi ne timi hwe wanim kese da bi ene independence no ye nni adentia si edi independence na sika bekwa amanfo bottom. What kind of stupidity is that? Temi yepa, what kind of nonsensical decision are these? Nanado dam kwa kufuadu tumiswa independent the free Accra and the Tamale. Tamale for some you have to enjoy the state money. And you behind service, you behind fidie, you behind hotels, among fobe didi, all these things, you know. Tamale for so make something out of it. Ochano de nam ho for so most will make something out of the Independent Day. Papa we be transfer Ghana de ka enti ono de Independent Day no on celebrate Independent Day but Papa we timi sisa 4.4 billion US dollars etu gu hokwa ema bochi forces sa ura nyankopon Jimmy pa na nya bia me bisa asem enti ne ye kan Ghana economy a winding na yebo where asem bisa madam fu be resi me misa say when we are talking about the economy of the country now ye can ato force asem ana se je na opoku agyeman ne din na yebo. I want to know this answer because it is important for me. Because madam fu be say on tiase de ntia and this if we can say Ghana ye sikasem essay ya na omo bo Dr. Bawumia dini abra ne o finance minister hey krofo omo ye fokido krofo we that is my question. Adenti anda na nado danko Akufo-Addo administration ye kasikasem anko ya yes Dr. Bawumia enne adenti $1 na kosro ato force na ye boni dey babachewo Dr. Bawumia ene ma mi Jane ma me wake omo nyina eye constitution na che so omo ye the economic management team no omo ye head ana eye the same constitution ye nyansesa constitution no the identity na we are attaching Dr. Bawumia to the economy na enne de ma me na ba we geti dan mo the white elephant na yem fa ne din enka economy ho adentia because they are afraid of Dr. Bawumia and they want to find a way to disgrace him. But who jabres, no man cares. You people can never and ever destroy the image of Yura Alhaji Mahamadu Bawumia. Yenti a video we be na yensamfa another episode emremo. Make sure say afei na waba like a video no, on share so na wa share. Won subscribe to this channel so amesra wa se bo modern na subscribe. Na beka abusuakuo no ho. Na mesi se won subscribe ya na wa subscribe. Wa subscribe so dia leave it. Pa on sesi adoma no so na beka abusuakuo. So that me the video tuma ubenya like say me the video to me ba live nso a ubenya nkai bo say me the video aba. Yenti video we bi na yemra different episode.
Supposed to be in February. Emane can say as part of the plans or deba enayeno obesha so be link Ghana card no to your bank accounts and your mobile money accounts no onya backlash pa it be be say bisa ne say obegye tum say ho no ogufi ana say one custody system na we ansan workers say na wonim say already no Ghana card na linking it to banks no mobile money account no and wo kan ye anase okodru ho no still na ye link
okay good part. So I ask a question. I think so my post the people didn't get the clarification what I wanted to post.
Okay,
now NIA card no it has 3 profiles on it: e-wallet, e-passports and EID. Ebiani Juma ID. Now we've activated the e-passport. What I was saying is that I want to activate the e-wallets, which will be linked to your bank. Once your e-wallet is linked to your banker, if I say any of the banks, you can use your Ghana card as a means of transaction as an ATM card to go and instead of asking them their mobile number or giving them cash, I can give them my Ghana card with the POS and withdraw money or make payments.
Wow.
That is what I was talking about. I was saying that I'll link it to your bank account because already it's linked to your bank account already. But I said I'll link it to your bank account for transaction so that you use your Ghana card to perform transaction.
What did you say?
Say brofo. O man what you say? Brofo. Nti said ya obe we de brofo no. Sa na ye be say ya. Obi aka brofo na wacho wo tie mo say the man.
Yes, you would have do trim. Yeah, Nancy and Nadia, I say, what to a young PNT, a bow video that I be, and I said, I'll come for you about me.
I've endorsed the current Vice President of the Republic, a very good friend of mine, an innovative individual.
So you have also been whipped in line?
Whipped by who?
That's what we hear.
No, nobody has whipped me.
But why are you endorsing him? Do you?
Because. Look at it. This is a man who, when I sit down with and I hear his ideas, it makes me want to see him become the president of the republic. And you know, it's almost like a mutual admiration society. This is a man who will send me a message and say, thank you for the innovation and education that you are bringing.
Dr. Bawumia, even they know the quality that the man has. But akonya and abetofie. Am I forward in Yagro? Akonya bin abetofie no be a pebiadi. Now, if actually we are talking about who is the right man to lead that, you can't say something contrary that is not is Dr. Bawumia. Dr. Bawumia is the only man that fit perfectly to do the job for the MPP party, to win the election smoothly, because the aspirant to crown or money charge no or money no cost no, they all believe that Bawumia is the man that can win the election, who have what we call something like the quality to lead and the intelligence to solve the society problems that we have. And then not the no. I yawadu trim so kura de abeto so. Se doctor there, we ni free wa, we ni ho. Yanto aso na yenko yanimu biem na yenko macho for no site. Yanko macho for no site. I Ti papa we.
Scale mining. Almost sa ejumano si abon illegal small scale mining. Almost sa ejumano si abon baya ebe say asase no. And so yedi nyansa and yedi ye. Every say, sa ade ayedi soldier for ade echichi emabuna omuye illegal small scale mining no yaye bida sa okaya yaye bida e wo Ghana ha nso anye adwuma enti ye adwin say we will bring a new mining law ebe regulate sa galamsey na ama ejuma no etimi akoso ama omo awuye ni ye no etimi aye enya bibi akomo ano. And so Brofo Kasamu Yabeka said if you put a blanket ban and then you send soldiers after the young people, that is not the way to go. As you stop illegal small-scale mining, at the same time, you must put in place a livelihood package so that as you are displacing people from illegal mining, they have something else to do. But when there's nothing to do and you're just chasing them and shooting them, it is not the way to go. In Tampara, there was a buying a share regulations. Normally, it's a papa, send a beya, or more person, they'll do it within the law.
Yeah, where the Mahama and Kasaneka, or say, God, I'm saying, you to me, Kissy, you chasso. Well, what? Hey. We are Ghana, dear money in your one second. I'm saying, because so seven tanker, I'm saying, no one sem kese. Because Papa didn't can't catch them, so no bar or more, you I'm saying, obey you more pay. Ain't ne video I may butcher you with so tea in the year, I'll say, and who in here see a dear soldier for Beco would I'm say a copam that I'm safe for, or sending throw crack and was a kufuado are buying air to get I'm safe for two, or say a who here. Nina say, yedi. Plans begu kwai mu said ye be ya manfo be gadam say ni ya na say ye be kreti adwuma bi obabi ntie you free gadam say site ho a na ye de ko no akoye adwuma say be ya wonsan ma gadam say. Okay, your idea is nice, but papa ene we not here konwa so. You are now the president of the republic. Ene oko yewura asante hene ne maame aye ye bo wudin say the commander-in-chief of the Ghana Armed Forces. Sani yedi so udin so. Samrani a yedi ball no. Mami Jennifer Dumu akwaba. Won samrani a yedi ball ewo nipadom no anyway. Actually say you have the command. But I'm saying you command na asante hene command no unuro. Because okay sa amanfo na. But on the esi okuma say well. Let's put the one aside. Yes, we are the chief commander of the Ghana Armed Forces. Just what chi ewo Ghana maimu opini ho. Politically, governance, amanyone, amamuomu, any amane meraponumu. You are the number one. What you opini ho. Papa, nyansani nimdiene nsemna na ukachira amanfo. Ana amanfo eboje osono. Apply the same knowledge. You should say nyansasem na fasan semna na wo kan na dey sick talk is cheap. Kasa fo. But homodre. Now apply what you were saying. And now what by because na me no kasa. Ensuo nipa benom na organa maimu. E ho ayeden. Ghana Water Company esu adentia ye kase nsuo a yɛde bɛma amanfoɔ yɛbɛtiriti de amanfoɔ anom no ɛbɛduru no na ɛkyɛ ne nsuo galamsey mu nsuo na ɛba and they don't have enough resources to treat the water. Ɔmo ni sika dodo a ɔmo ni akadeɛ dodo a ɔmo betumi de ayɛ dɛ adane nsuo n'anim na aba bɛyɛ nsuo yɛbɛtumi anom. Enti papa nimdeɛ dodo a wɔsi ɛda wo tim nyansa a wɔsi wɔ wɔn nsɛm a na wɔka ne hɔ yi papa apply it because baabi a sese yɛ duro no nsuo ho ayɛ dene. Baabi a yanante akɔduru no asɛm na yɛ dene sɛ wɔamfa saa nyansasɛm wɔ yɛ a na wokan anyɛ adwuma na wo sɛ ɛma yɛmfa sogyafoɔ ni ɔmo akyi yɛma ɔmo nka wura no mu yaminom engu so nyɛ galamsey deɛ a ɛne ɛnkyɛ biara nkurɔfoɔ no ɔmo to aba no dem a wɔ no ɔmo bɛwu ɔmo ase bɛhye na ɛhɔ no we will see hwan ɛna ɔbɛkɔ akɔdi ne so. Nkurɔfoɔ no ɔmo to aba ma wɔ ɛnam no so ɛna yɛsi ɛfrɛ the president of the republic a yɛbɔ wo din a ebi ɛni w'akyi no sɛ wanyɛ bibi amfa ho a it is coming say there will not be possibility for the people to live again because in fact na me hwɛ video no me yɛ ma hu sɛ wohwɛ kwan a nsuo a Ghana water company paa treaty sɛ ɔmo de kɔ amanfoɔ fie ma ɔmo anom na wohwɛ nsuo na nipa a me yɛ awerɛho wohwɛ nsuo na ni a ɛyɛ awerɛho papa nsuo na ni te sɛ tii ne kafe a yɛaka bom nsuo kɔɔ paa na yɛ mmea sɛ mehwɛ yɛ ma hu video no daakye hene bawumia mekyia ɔyie paa meyɛ ma hu video no na nka wobɛhu what is actually happening in Ghana nsuo ɛhɛ ɛka yɛ sɛ ɔmo a ɔmo ti nkuraase meyɛ wo sikani kwadwo kwaakye mu akɔ aba na yɛ awo nso mu akɔ aba ɛnyɛ nkuraasefoɔ ɛna ɛsɔfa from this galamsey nko a ɔmo ti kurom a ɔmo nom pipe mu nsuo no they are also suffering because Ghana water company kura be treat nsuo no de amawa eba beduru fie na ne bo edene enti papa yi nyansa na woka yen kreti adwuma yen sesa galamsey fo no mfiri ho na yen fa omo nkɔ hɔ na omo nya ya adwuma no wɔ asundwie mu no papa na wo na wo the sitting president no more excuse. There is no room for excuse because answer no be your excuse no be we no now mine no ensuo na ye nom no asay enkurasefo de yenim so mo ahyase o mo yare enkurasefo de yenim say the ensuo no kro munya bi nom because wuti akura bi ase na ensuo a etene e na wo sanom a ene akura bi ani ga no o mu nsuo etene enye efi akura bia ni Ghana ensuo omosa no manye efi ba bia ye fi asa also ye president na obetra oman no ama ensuo anipa da sani nom a ye sɛ de ayɛ yi na wo mfa ho na wo na mu yi akyea wo twa selfie odo nse bobɔ maato wo hwɛ amanfo to a Nyankopɔn na ne obedi sɛ also ye kandifo na wo te hɔ na ukroma omanma wonsu ayɛ sɛ de ayɛ yi na wo se emfa wo ho emma to na okopa hwɛ ɛwɔ dwam emma to na ɔdo nsa ɛkɔsoso ma ɛwɔ dwam ba be ma binom to na wo hwɛ na wo comment wɔ ho a wo de kɔso na yɛ Nyankopɔn na ne obedi because wo sika nti no ɛba ne dena sɛ de wunya etimi de ne pray ma de nante no obetumi de ne pray na kofa nsuo abrochire de abrɛ ma wanom na hiafo ma no so e twena hiafo no ho papa na de owo mi na edie ɛyɛ me sɛ oba first no kura bia now ye better because de wo kɔ ne nane de ɛyɛ non go there. It is actually showing you the true character of who you are. Afei sana nsema na abro nye ka sɛ o second coming will be worse than Jesus Christ's second coming. No, say no correct. what Basso Bebu a mom for 10 because 2016 your pound more fear. So you make them suffer. Now you say who laugh at last laughs the best. And John that gay a man for me woo and soon and yet because now what position no what's now solutions to all of this and then your bread and then your bread so enti a man here say find a solution to the enti
Gidi say was said the yesimu kina maybe a etwamu a enche ye no yesimu kina enne ya said ya hyase no e de ko na de ye mede ene se kwakwa hodo asase e de nkrata e ba bonten
nkrata de enye won bi mu
oman
ya tra
ye tia meka ne sa ne say
enye won bi
at least emu be ye din it appeared the segalem said yetunye to ase awie but with the production Dominic Kofia san momodin na munya Yera runs for jump my
Omedi.
Na de ye kagalem say ho asem.
You go beyond runs for jump.
You go beyond runs for jump or baby or man. You go swa with the runs for jump.
Sabe no you tag go say.
Enfa ho.
No kasamo.
Sabe no ye Ganani.
Ejene so ye Ganani.
Ogusu ye Ganani. I say afidie no eyi nipa no a ni sonko. Ejai no a ni sonko. Enti ye sre wo mo. Yera feles kwatu ofosu. Any nipa bi a wa ban mu ka ne ho yesemo some commentaries are more making ni ade nka be ya mon kama no tum na mon fight galamse de magana for nya resource o man na make say yera runs for jump entumi nyi post na on kan kire ye say de ekoso gana say galamse ko na ye ko aye tiem aye dede no until ye because the office of the TV
we have moved unless you want to talk about the principles penny we have moved beyond the area jumpo
now Amanda be kan sa me no nya adwen o move beyond him say and some now mo kan ye some few months ago no ye me say ye ho say are we safe galamse the torture why are they silent because they were na omano was so mane ko abani team ma at a point krompodo abani was pressed o man manese sub military for ne ade ko go your friend saying galamse site nyina so in same vein no se sampanyi fo nyina stand wo mano tumu bi ene emfa ho say you are part of this government hanom no na eba me ahunu say asumasi o your mind bapa your mind no eyi die na ewo na koma suntia na ode kasa na enye ne botom na enye ne personal gain ene fa so obenya saban sesaba. At this point, the mere expecting say the likes of your runs for example.
I can't believe what I'm seeing.
Ghana ye DNT, and woman so to office a Ghana Suppress Authority, and one some Panyamo appointment. Ube to me akasa e wadia e koswa enyano. You can still speak because we be in one man. What do kasa boyfriend some to make kasa?
But that's what some number for the channel. The illegal mining. The air cost. I can't believe it. Any ukwan say Ghana at this point out now to so it can be done.
Na ko anu because on your post.
Your post unko.
Na DNT.
Oh to boss in your post unko.
Oh man.
Any ukwan say Ghana at this point. Otina to so. Now we are careless about.
DNT na media we are careless but some few months ago you were not careless. You were vibrant. You were vocal. Any nyina kabo man na fight galamse.
Tienka mum.
Enti yenka mum that unity na ye dey some few months ago no. They should come out we need it.
Jim FM 106.3.
Koso no. Enso na ni nyefo. Me ma mi ros kaya me mo akwa bapa. Enso na ni nyefe me wo video ba mpesa nka me nkyere abusuanfo but video no. I'm saying I'm afford to be abaho. Na wahu ye wo ma ye tia se galamse ekum nipa amamfo ewu nso ese no John Mahama say amamfo ngusu nye galamse because omuye galamse a ehu sika no ekọ Ghana for bottom. Listen to what this foolish man is saying. Listen.
Illegal sources is from legal sources. At least it's our land that is being destroyed, so let us get the benefit of it instead of foreign trade. So that's the first thing.
So what John Dalgada Mani Mahama say gold board to sikakoko free galamse for her. But no, it is not a problem. Say ye illegal money, illegal gold. Anya hwenu sikano Ghana for a bottom neighbor. Me can't tell him at the beginning said this man is full of money. Everything about this man is about money. Akwa we yekese onton no de na emfa nkoji ska obeton. Mo ka kene de Japan. Ose ono obutu ne yere so kura na de ye adwuma kura na ye frɛ no kura na wo se nipa kura no e de ne ka obefa phone no na ofa phone na nipa ka je se bra me pese me mfa osika ma wa ose obegya ya to ho de America o sa akwa we che. The way to punish even the young can say the galamseyers for the galamsey not to be attractive and say their gold are supposed to be bound. Say yen to galamsey gold in the country. But Jimmy way or say I'm fahu. I'm not about phone. Ghana phone Ghana phone my year or my Tio Papa Panini we say and found say gold in your galamsey for gold. Obeto obema sami jamfiato. But the best way, where say what the gold boys so the betogan and go to Yanakoton as a president. Now really power would that dream say person of mine no yensoni and nema besaya. Adi obe to me aye, amagaram say for more jumano esubetran say obe avoid buying of galamsey gold. Now mom obi obeto galamsey gold unya na obechino. Tiemi yepa. Na we adwene no esika. Se wutumi tena wo nan so e ka se gold aye galamsey fo ne 2 ye. Eye krono de aban gold board on top. Won so obeto krono de aye frɛ ne illegal mining gold no. Ye chiwa ye do betum. Utumi de mra we ba eye adwuma galamsey doing no will become difficult because oyi okotu gold no kura ehe na odebeko untumi so smogere mfanko dodo sen no betumi ansmogere de akọ. So at the end of the day they cannot sell the gold ba kwa we osisika hia no esene na yere ne ma eya sebo ye huna mane o ento aso ne nko ye ne enti that is your command for you. Now let's listen to this issue about the odi ahenkan si wadwa. Odi ahenkan si wadwa o Peace FM was with Japa. Yankotie the away, Yankotie.
No, and some day people be move. Oh, the makeup. Not so kind a Hope City. Who guys Hope City? I don't know if you are signal, Miss Big Push now, many aji baby meant to me book. Now, yet your mem near see Bessie Hope City. I'm Casoma Bay, I read you away. I read your friends are Agambila. No one gets a bill. What way? Or retentive member in your Juma. What for him? That a man penny to 2V8. You say 10 billion. I am saying 10 billion. Some will see Hope City. And it has one crime man. I hope not. Oh, man, you are to have your dog guy. Hey, some more. I'm an who if you have baby biala ebetwem ginyam yasem. You nipa kone signal me say many me slow down kakra. Them we say big push no eye adwuma na. Home City no omko am de so ko form. Oh omko twa fande omko ye short cutting na me kai. Na e ba ne sen. Amana hwe. Ya nti won se mo obi anka hwe ya nkire ye bi. Amana hwe. Hey, they buy and they buy. And some was you. And some Mexico. Tiano de
me a mistake, but we don't know interesting to my young video. Here video and I wanted another video.